So obviously due to exam, I'm not gonna trade today. Since I don't have time, I'm just gonna go to call. I have to go. Gotta go to college at 9 o'clock, 9:40. So I don't have much time to execute any positions yet. But I do tape reading. Uh, if I found any entry, I will execute it just from my mind, not the actual entry. Uh, GBST. Okay, fine. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. What happened so far in weekly? It's kind of sweeping the low. The last week candle just sweep the low and it's holding the weekly fair value gap. It's still holding the price. As you can clearly see, it's still it's not it's failed to closing above. It's kind of showing some rejection here inside the weekly fair value gap. Let's move on to daily time frame. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Exactly what I expected, bro. This is what I expected. This is the reason why I marked this fair value, because this is the only family which we got in the whole swing, which got ran through. So most probably it acted as inversion pushing lower, at least give some pullback for this move. So if there is some pullback, it should be this. It should act as a um, it should act it should help to give a pullback for this whole buying move. This is the daily time frame. Major liquidity has been swept. Price inside the weekly fair value gap, and this is a breaker as well. And let's keep on going higher. This daily fair value got ran through, and price just reacting inside the inversion. Okay, no, no, right. DI, which means sorry, DI, which means daily inversion. That's the reason why I marked that inversion, because this is a potential place where the market might get reversed. So yesterday I plot this same fair value gap with that 50% mark, but it unfortunately didn't give anything. But now it's started to reverse. It's not reverse, actually give some pullback or rate reason or whatever it is. The daily time frame, as you can clearly see, the previous day high has been swept. So let's see what's going to happen. We clearly see the previous high has been swept, so it might come all the way down to previous day low. Might be the target for the day. So I just want to mark out the previous day low here. This this will be our this is our previous day low, right? This day low. Mhm. For this whole move, uh, so for this whole move, it reaches the back to this equilibrium level. That's one more case. It's it's reset exactly at the 50% level. Motion price stopped exactly at the 50% level. Peak the really high. Start is a lot. Hmm. Okay. Want to go for what happened for huge sell off, right? Huge sell off. Dang. Damn, right. So it's keep on expanding higher. I don't find anything here since it ran through. I only expect the price to give some reaction inside this range. If it not, then it should be this or this or this. It's all those guys are trendline liquidity. We can expect this should run through. This will get ran through, right? Yeah. Let's keep on going higher. Break, retest, good expansion. Again, sweep, good expansion. So we can expect the price to come to at least the previous day low, because the previous day low resets carry a lot of sell side liquidity aligned with the bearish fair value gap. Sorry, bullish fair value gap here. So you have this bullish fair value gap, and there's also previous day low. So we can go right now. H4 bullish fair value. So here we got previous day low and H4 bullish value. So I anticipate the price to come all the way towards this range. So if it holds, then we can expect some continuation towards upside to run all this liquidity or resistance. As of now, it's keep on expanding. The previous day, it's a good expansion move. Pull back. As you can clearly see, the 529. Yeah, the 529 candle. Once as soon as it sweep the 529, it gives a reversal. Still the same here. Bye, bro. Yeah, 529 sweep expansion. 529 sweep expansion. So that's what I need to focus. So this is the 529 candle, and after that it start to expand higher, come all the way down, sweep the liquidities, beautiful push to the upside, to all the way toward this liquidity inside this value it's holding and just gives us a reaction, right? Because we don't have any fair value up until this point. We don't have any liquidity of fair value up until this point. That's the reason why it's keep on going higher. If it gets ran through, most probably tractors investors are pushing all clear out all this 10 line liquidity. That's what my expectation, my anticipation here. Mm, okay. As of now, this liquidity has been tiny sweep and this value holding the price. Beautiful. Then what I can expect. I didn't find any structure though. I don't find any structure. Just a quick dump in 1 hour. So I expect this will continue all the way towards this low. That's my added expectation for today. Mhm. Okay, sounds good. One sweat, good sell off, and it's flipped the fair value here. So this fella that's holding the price, this fella, everything has been ran through, so I expect the lower prices. So I don't have any hold for me to look for buy right now. I should look for short since everything has been ran through it. So let's wait and see how it's gonna work, how it's gonna play out. Let's move on to 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, what's going on? Asian range, London range. So Asia low taken, London low taken, and price expanding, keep on expanding to the lower prices. Mm, okay. Sweet. So this is where you should look for, right? The last value of that holding the price. First leg is a second leg. As soon as we get some kind of information here, we can enter, go to stop at the high. Since it's sweep the liquidity, since this is the second leg, since it's inside the high time frame family up, since it's inside the inversion candle, we can look for some sort of shot, come all the way down, go and sweep the high, which is a clean sweep. So after this sweep, we can look for some sort of confirmation. Can you look something? So obviously, I don't think it's going to hold the price to pushing higher. If it, that's nice. Because since it has a lot of liquidity here, since it has big fair value gaps and high time frame, like in 4 hour and 1 hour, I don't think it's gonna. So this is a so I think this is a current leg, right? This is a current leg there. Previously, this is a current leg. Go all the way up. This kind of sweep, print high, print low sweep, do structure shift, you clean structure shift the next candle. Um, holy crap. Clean structure shift, the next candle, the structure shift, the next candle, tap the level, tap this level, tap, and expanding all the way towards what is the time? 215. 215. Okay. Break, next candle, tap the breaker, and this it's leave this fair value gap open and go all the way down towards the discount, extremely discounted fair value gap, and it sweep the liquidity. You can see, right? It's inside the liquidity here, swept, and give some reaction here. Hmm. If it holds the price, we can expect some continuation to all the way up to the Asian high. If it's not, we can only able to look for short to these levels. Since high time frame looks super bearish, and I didn't find anything here, but it's literally flip all the family gaps. So it leaves these big imbalances. So inside this range, I need to be bearish and targeting this low. Hmm, let's wait and see. So for me not to go for buy, I don't have strong confidence for buy. If it comes to this level, if it clear out two liquidity, if it entering this level, I can look for some sort of buy. But now, as of now, I don't have any idea. It has strongly a bearish leg. All I can do is mark this family here. All I can do is mark this family here and like to see some sort of market maker sell like price manipulating to this point and give some market maker sell model and targeting this liquidity. That's my game plan, bro. Inside this family gap and inside this. I don't think it's going to go all the way up and coming down. So since it's flipped, this fair value recently formed fair value up here in H1 and not recently formed fair value up in H1. It's leave this imbalance, so it will reach all the way towards this fair value one gives a market make a sell model in lower time frame and come all the way down, clear out 1, 2, 3, and we can book the profits here. Let's see how it's gonna work. If it gets ran through, then our obvious target is going to be this. If it gets ran through, so we can target this liquidity. If it gets ran through, then it's obviously the reversal. If these two guys got reversed, which means this is the damn reversal. So time is 7:53 a.m. So obviously I have to close my live by 8:45. By 8:45, I had to close my live and I had to heading towards my college and give my exam. I hope I'm going to give my exams in a good way. Then what else I can do? Then I had to go to my job to work. It's somewhere around 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 4:30 to 9 o'clock, I guess. Mm, okay, just move on to 5 minutes. Don't move on to 1 minute, bro. I don't want to move on to 1 minute side. The 1 minute, damn, 1 minute. It's kind of holy shit, bro. It's a good placement. Come all the way down to the liquidity has been swept. Price is countered 5 gap. Engineer the liquidity is swept. And in 5 minutes, I get the big displacement inside this family of what's going on. If, what's going on, buddy? Why, why are you doing like that? Gbpusd. Hmm. So I can expect this price go all the way up to this liquidity, this fair value gap. This is a current leg for us. And once it's sweep this liquidity, once it's get into this fair value gap, once it take this sell side liquidity plus discount of FAG plus discounted FAG. So discount of fair value gap. Mm, so discounted bullish fair value gap. What happened? I get a reaction like boom. What a headline. Mhm. Well, you can clearly see it's a clean liquidity, bro. It's a clean damn liquidity. As soon as it's take this and this high, here we can expect some sell model and anticipate the lower prices. Don't caught up into any kind of buy now. This like seems really good. So just move on to 5 minutes. So what I'm expecting right now, so since it's speed this and this liquidity entering this parallel, it gives some good reaction, some good displacement and 5 minutes parallel creation. So we can buy, we can go for a buy here and put the stop of this low, expecting this high and this high to take and expecting the price to reach this fair value here. If I'm expecting that moment, what's my take profit, bro? So this is what's happening, rebalancing to that inefficiency, and this is should be my risk here. So 1:2.6, obviously. Clean entry exactly at 7:45, right? Once it reaches this place, I like to see some sort of sell model. By the time it's By the time it reach this place, it will clear out this and this liquidity. So inside this is a current leg for us. In lower time frame, this is a current leg. If it print any sort of market maker sell model, then it would be the greatest thing, and this would be the 1 2 2. This is the finest target for me, and previous day low is the target. Let's wait. If it get ran through, if it get ran through, if it is a structure shape, if it get ran through and it's act as inverse, which means I can expecting the price to this level, and if it gets ran through, then the obvious target is going to be the nation high. That's it. You can see how beautifully it's sweep the liquidity. It's kind of engineering the trend line liquidity here. Big displacement. So inside this can until it can go for buy. Once it get tapped, you can go for buy and expecting the break and expecting the price to reach this level. Yeah, that's my plan. So I got a call. I had to call my mom and talk. Yeah, it's going to reach my target, bro. As soon as the fair gap getting tapped, we can get into this trade, and the stop loss should be somewhere around here, and we can expect the price to reach what? Expect the price to reach this level. Yeah, that's it. Only to 2.5, 2.65. It's almost there. No, no, that's not the issue. Uh,